No, I'm not even going to do it. I'm going to put this away, right? And I'm going to show you around this van, Kev. Because I think you're going to be mighty, mighty impressed with this. Right, I'm going to tell you a bit about this. Right, it's a 2017 on a 67 plate, Kev. 40k. Right, is that cheap?
Yeah.
Right, it's a professional conversion. Do you want me to tell you also about it? Auto.
I know that, because I backed it in.
Oh, you did, didn't you? 130 brake horsepower,
yeah.
2.3. It's done 12,000 miles. So, and it's been serviced in 20, 21, 23 and 24. In 2024, this month, right, the cambot was done as well. So what's that telling you?
Been looked after.
It's been looked after.
I can see it's got a solar panel on the roof.
Yeah, yeah. It's in self-build blue. Can't think of a colour, can you?
Silvery bluey.
Yeah. So it's your typical Fiat Ducato.
Just looks like a van with windows on it. So.
My Ducato.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Don't look anything special.
Bike rack on the back.
Yep.
Yeah. Reversing camera.
Yep.
Yeah.
Twin reversing camera.
Yeah. Creamery.
Yep.
Electric. Water. Drain off for your fresh and your cold.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Follow me.
Gas low.
Slow. So we're going to assume this is going to have all the bells and whistles. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you opened?
I haven't opened it. The keys are in the ignition.
Oh, you've blown me bloody big crescendo and
I
everything.
didn't hear any bells or whistles.
Gonna have to do this again. Are you ready to look inside, Kev?
I'm ready.
You ready?
You
Excited
yeah.
for this?
Yeah.
You ready? Ready?
Yeah, good. Yeah, got a fly screen.
Come on in.
Excuse me. Step.
There you go.
Oh, Manuel one.
Manuel.
It's a Spanish step.
Less things to go wrong, Kev.
Oh, we've got what, little LED lights down there.
There you go. I'm getting there. Yeah, I'm getting there. Get me like, I'm not very organised here, am I?
You're not really, no.
So, what's your first thoughts?
Spacious.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
We have swivel seats.
Yep.
Yeah.
2 captain's chairs.
Just so I'm right.
Automatic.
Your typical Fiat cab there, Kev.
Yep. I don't see any blinds on the.
No, it's to keep the weight down.
But yeah. So you'd have a silver screen. You put silver screen.
Yeah.
On
So just a quickie up here. Oh, there we go. We're getting the gas. Yeah. Nice simple control. And what we're getting there. There might be tank heaters, they might.
Could be.
Or could be awning light as well. So, what are we having there? We've got a table and storage.
Yep.
Yep. Nice preppy area.
Yeah.
Look how much storage we've got here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Sergeant unit.
Yeah. We're getting a battery.
Yep.
There. With your solar controller. We're getting more storage.
Yep. I can't see without seeing me actually.
More storage.
Oh, got all your knives and forks and everything.
Got everything, Kev. It's fully equipped, ready to go. Look at this. There. And again, there. Now, look what we're getting here. Grill oven.
Grill oven.
Yeah.
Microwave.
Microwave. I turn around, Kevin. We've got the sink.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Compressor fridge. Good size compressor fridge.
Very good size compressor fridge. Yeah. Storage again.
Yeah.
And now there we go. We're getting our heating and hot water as well.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Now what I want you to do, Kev.
You forgot one thing as well.
Oh yeah.
The cooker.
3 burner hob.
3 burner hob.
Right. I want you now, because I normally do them, right, to make up the bed there.
Make up the bed.
And you'll be quite impressed with this. Yeah, I'll help you out. I'll undo that one there for you as well. How does that feel?
Nice and easy.
No, but look
Chunky.
how well it's built. Look at it.
Chunky. Not your, not your flimsy little bendy ones, are they?
No. So you can see there's our Propex heater.
Yep.
As well. Joking apart, Kev, that pull-out bed there feels...
Yeah, very substantial, isn't it?
Yeah, really good. I was looking for the right word. Anything else you want to go over?
One with them lats as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quite impressed with that.
Okay, pull it back. Feels well, doesn't it?
It slides easy as well,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
that's what got me when I was doing it.
Yeah, slides very easily.
What are you actually doing there, Kev?
Making a bed up.
Drop that down there, drop that down there. Right. You can tell you're not made for it. Oh, I'll tell you what we haven't done. We've got hatches above.
Yep.
There we go. Hatch above.
What's in that?
Then move over to here. Kev, hatches above here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Windows, quite straightforward. Blinds, blind screens. Here, you're a nosy bugger. Oh, and then we've got the skylight. The same again. Just to,
Chairs?
I'm going to have a look, Kev, just to keep you happy.
I think it's one of them picnic table chair things, right?
It's a chair, Kev. Look. Just so you can see.
Ah, yeah. 2 chairs.
2 chairs.
Yeah, quite handy storage up there for it.
Right, what have you noticed?
Expel air as well.
Oh, what? Oh, extractor fan.
Extractor.
Yeah. Yeah, polar control.
Yep. Like you get in the Australs, isn't it? I've noticed another cupboard there. What's in there?
More storage.
More storage. Loads of kit.
Nice layout, isn't it?
Loads of kit with it.
Yeah. You ready? What do you think?
Shower room.
Do you think?
Sure.
Go on, have a look at that.
Oh, that is a shower room, isn't it? I'm liking that.
Nice, isn't it?
All totally sealed. I'm not standing there because I'll dirty it.
All sealed.
All well sealed, yeah. You're not going to get... yeah. Oh, look. Got an extractor fan in there as well, Jason.
Yeah.
I like that. Yeah. Bit of storage there. Very white, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, but
Your sunglasses in there.
you can go and have a shower on there and not have to...
Oh yeah, you won't worry about getting anywhere wet, would you? You'd be doors lined and everything. Yeah. I like that. That's good.
It feels well built though, Kev, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
It does feel well built.
Yeah, it's quality build really.
Yeah. So don't forget, we're talking here of a 2017 van. It's a 2-berth, 2 belted seats. You can make a single bed there or pull it out. We've got the swivel seat. It's only done 12,000 miles. It's automatic, onboard LPG. We've got hob grill oven.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got microwave. We've got hot water. We've got heating as well. There's a little Propex heater.
Yep.
There. We've got a compressor fridge.
Yep.
We've got a great shower area as well. We've got extractor fans. We've got swivel seats. I think I mentioned the auto. What a great price.
I like the fly screen on the door as well.
Yeah. Just drop that down.
Yeah, I've got the zips.
And it zips along.
Wonder where they got that from.
Flash cream shop.
I wouldn't mind one for mine.
Oh, I'm going to have a go with this, Kev.
I wouldn't mind one for mine actually.
Put that on there. Put that down there. That drops down. Oh look.
Yeah, I've got the zips.
There. I can see what they've done here. Oh, let's take that one. I know, and that.
Always been a bugbear with sliding doors, isn't it? Having a fly screen on them.
Yeah.
Especially going up Scotland or somewhere like that with all them midges.
So that'll go down there, Kev.
All the way down the bottom, yeah.
Yeah. We've got, these will be magnets.
Magnets.
Oh look, magnets.
Yeah, so you can walk through.
So, if I want to go out, I can go that way.
Yeah.
If you want to go out, you can go that way.
No, I'll go that way. Do that one.
They're alright, they are, aren't they?
Yeah, aren't they? That's quite good, that.
Yeah. I do like that.
And you can leave it on permanently. I've got one that you can take off. But I quite like that, the fact that you can leave that on all the time.
It is alright, isn't it? So where are you going to get a camper van for this type of money? You're getting everything.
Yeah.
It's a good build, it feels solid.
Yeah.
Love the washroom.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like how this has been put in here as well. And what was it now? Only 6 metres, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I haven't got a length. I can't say it's about, let's say 6.3 at the most.
Yeah.
To be honest, you're getting a lot of van.
Yeah.
Hell of a lot of van.
I like that showroom.
Yeah. But that's nice there though, isn't it, as well?
Yeah.
I really do.
The other thing I do like is what you find when you've got showroom at the side, you're compromising your space in your kitchen.
Yeah.
So you're a bit crowded in your kitchen, aren't you?
Yes.
You know, it's a bit of a squeeze.
Yeah, it doesn't, like I say, it's a nice little kitchen area there. You're getting everything that you need.
Very spacious.
You're getting a lot of storage.
Yeah.
And then let's say you've got a great shower area or drying off area.
Yeah.
As well. A couple of extractor fans. So they haven't on board LPG as well.
Yeah. Underslung tank. Yeah.
Yeah. So what more can you ask for in a camper van than what we're actually giving it at a great price?
Yeah.
So if you've enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah. And the sun is still shining.